Hello, girls. Hello, boys. Everything is fine with you? I wish. Well, today we're talking about future plans using going to. Então, pessoal, hoje a gente vai falar na nossa aula sobre planos futuros usando o going to. É o capítulo 22 da nossa apostila. Então, going to. We use be, going, mais o verbo, to talking about future plans. Então, nós usamos o be, o going, o verbo to be, mais o going, mais um verbo, né? Para falarmos sobre ações futuras. Por exemplo, she is going to buy a new car. Ela está indo comprar um carro novo. Presta atenção, olha lá. Sujeito, she. Is, verbo to be. Logo em seguida, o going. Mais o verbo, mais o to, mais o verbo buy, e aí o resto da frase. A new car. We can also use be, going to, plus verb, no infinitivo, for predications. Então, nós também podemos usar o verbo be, going to, mais um verbo no infinitivo, que é a raiz do verbo, né? Aquele que você acha lá no dicionário, para fazermos previsões. Look at the clouds. It's going to rain. Olha essas nuvens. Acho que vai chover. Então, previsão. Qual que é a estrutura? Que eu já falei ali atrás. Vamos lá, olha lá. É o sujeito, mais o be, que é o am, is e are, mais o going to, mais o verbo no infinitivo e mais o complemento. Olha o exemplo embaixo. I'm going to live in New York next year. Olha lá, o sujeito I, eu, o verbo to be I am, going to, olha o verbo live, morar, viver, e o resto da frase, in New York next year. Mesmo exemplo, só mudando o sujeito, olha lá. He is going to live in New York next year. Sujeito mais o verbo be, am, is e are, mais o not, mais going to, mais o verbo no infinitivo, mais o complemento. Eu tenho o quê? A negativa. I am not going to sing at the party. Eu não estou indo tocar, cantar na festa. Mudando só o sujeito. She is not going to sing at the party. You are not going at the party. Facinho? Bem simples. Para vocês tiram de letra. Today, I'm going to drive my new motorcycle. Then, I'm going to phone my best friends. And finally, I'm going to read my favorite novel. Então, vamos fazer o seguinte, ó. Eu vou te passar um vídeo. Ele vai falar sobre o próximo assunto que a gente vai falar na sequência da aula. Tá legal? Presta atenção nesse vídeo. Voltamos já já.
Hello, my good students. Now today, if you let me, I'd like to sing you a song, just a little song, if you let me. It's a song called Chapel of Love. Maybe you know it. It goes like this. Going to the chapel and we're gonna get married. Going to the chapel and we're gonna get married. Gee, I really love you and we're gonna get married. Going to the chapel of love. You see, this song is really good for demonstrating a little detail of English pronunciation. There's an idea that whenever the words going and to come together, the result is gonna. But that's not always true. Let's have a look at the song lyrics. Now, in this short text, we have going to the chapel 3 times, and we have going to get married 3 times. And so you might think that that means 6 gonas, but no. Listen again. Going to the chapel and we're gonna get married. Going to the chapel and we're gonna get married. Gee, I really love you and we're gonna get married. Going to the chapel of love. So did you hear the difference? The difference between going to the chapel, and gonna get married. So what's the rule? When does going to become gonna, and when does going to stay going to? Well, it's quite simple. In general, going to becomes gonna when it comes immediately before a verb. I'm gonna get married, then I'm gonna move to the country, gonna buy a house, I'm gonna have 3 children, and of course, I'm gonna get a dog. However, going to does not become gonna if the to is a part of a prepositional phrase. Let me show you what I mean. Big day tomorrow, I'm going to a wedding. First of all, everybody's going to the chapel for the ceremony, and after that, we're all going to the reception for some drinking, eating, dancing, and fun. I believe that the happy couple are going to the Caribbean for their honeymoon, but we're not sure yet. We think it's a secret. Now, 3 more things about gonna. First of all, pronunciation. Although you often hear gonna in songs and in some accents, the more usual way of pronouncing it is ginna. It's just like this drink. The first 2 syllables of Guinness are ginna. We're gonna get married. I'm gonna have a drink. Secondly, sometimes people tell you that gonna or ginna is informal English. Sometimes people tell you that it's American English. Again, this is not true. Gonna or ginna is standard spoken English. You hear it all over the English-speaking world. It's not informal, it's just the way we speak. And finally, although gonna or ginna is standard spoken English, gonna, the word G-O-N-N-A, is not standard written English. Okay, you see it on t-shirts, in graffiti, in adverts, but those are not examples of standard written English. Under normal circumstances, we say gonna or ginna, but we write going to. And for now, that's all I'm gonna say. Gonna say, gonna. All I'm gonna say. Bye-bye.
I'll be back in a few minutes. Wait for me.